Time now 12:11. We appreciate you staying with us this afternoon. The CDC has now put Milwaukee County in the green or low transmission category for COVID-19. And here to discuss this change and other new developments with the pandemic is Dr. Bill Hartman with UW Health. Dr. Hartman, we appreciate you being with us this afternoon. I first want to start by asking you about that low transmission designation. So what exactly does that mean for people just in their everyday lives?
This is actually very good news. It shows that the transmission level of COVID in our community is finally getting to the point where we're in this green zone, or kind of a safer zone, because the levels are low. Why is this happening? Well, I think it's a combination of quite a few people have been vaccinated, quite a few people have been infected and have some natural immunity on top of vaccination. Also, the variants, the BA.5 variant, has been pretty stable in this community. We haven't evolved to other variants at this point. And so all of those things together have done a good job of keeping the level of COVID down at a low place, so that we're probably as safe as we've been for many, many months.
Yeah, and I'm sure that feels good just to take another step forward and be in that safe category. So this one was pretty interesting to learn. So 2 large studies have shown that the chance of kids developing type 1 diabetes increases if they have had COVID. So can you talk a little bit about these results and what people should know?
Sure. So this comes from a European study and a US study, very large studies. We knew that respiratory viruses were associated with diabetes in kids, still at a very low level. However, when kids got COVID, even if they were asymptomatic with COVID, they still had twice the chance of developing type 1 diabetes. This is something that obviously is very concerning, because we don't know all the long-term implications of having COVID at this point. This is just one more thing really to add into that constellation of long COVID symptoms, and something that we have to keep an eye on moving forward.
And you kind of mentioned that just a little bit. While COVID cases are down here in the UK, they have seen cases increase. So is there some sort of concern here that that's a warning for what's to come?
So it's always concerning when the UK has an increase in cases, because in the US it tends to lag by about a month. And so this is something to keep an eye on. However, the BA.5 variant, which is still the predominant form in our area of COVID, is one that's been around for a while now. We have significant resistance to it. We've developed good immunity to it. So hopefully we can stay in this green level for quite some time.
And a lot to still learn. Dr. Hartman, we appreciate you joining us this afternoon and for your insight. Well, a reminder that you can always find the latest information on the pandemic on our website. That's tmj4.com/coronavirus.